Hi, this is Amy with LeadPulse Consulting and ProfitEdge.com, and here are some more tips on using the phone list view in your Outlook contacts. So right now I'm in my address card view. I'm just going to use the View menu, Current View, and change it to Phone List View. So as you saw in the previous tutorial, you can choose your own columns by using the Field Chooser. You can also right-click on any column and remove them as well. Another really cool thing about the phone list view is you can group your contacts by any of the fields. So for example, if I click on job title and drag that field up to the top and drop it there, you're going to see all my contacts are grouped by job title. So here are my CEOs all grouped together, and here are my administrative assistants. So to remove that grouping, just drag that column header back into place. So I can do the same thing with city. Just right click on a group and select collapse all groups if you want to do that. So I have this one contact, Patrick. His city is Bellevue, and I actually have misspelled his city name. So if I actually drag Patrick's contact and drop him into the correct group for Bellevue, it'll change his city name and his contact. So I'm just going to drag Patrick and drop him under the correct Bellevue group. And now let's find Patrick and check his spelling just so we can see how that worked. So I'll just open up his contact and we'll see that the Bellevue city has been updated. So that can come in handy when you're editing company names. Maybe you want to make sure all your company names are spelled the exact same way. For example, let's just sort by company. And for example, I have Stark and Olson, and I also have Stark Supplies. If I just drag Lucas Lindy and drop him under Stark Supplies, we'll see that in his contact, the company name was changed. So that's one quick tip. Also for Profit users, any contact that you want to keep out of Profit, any personal contacts that you have, you can mark those contacts private. And a really fast way to do that is to add a column for the private field, and then you can just put a checkbox in that field and mark those contacts private pretty quickly. And this is something you probably want to do before you install Profit. If you do this after you install Profit, you'll need to resync Contact Manager with that contact folder you just marked those contacts private in. So the phone list view gives you a lot of flexibility when you're viewing your contacts. You can sort your contacts by any field. You can group your contacts by any field. And you can make quick changes to groups of contacts by dragging those contacts between the different groupings.